and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a what's in my bag / bag review video because I did get a new bag, and I actually got this bag last year in like October, and I'm just now reviewing it just because I wanted to give it some wear because it was more of a pricier bag than bags that I usually get. So yeah, I just wanted to have some time to get used to it, and we will find out if I've been loving it or hating it. So if you guys enjoy these what's in my bag / bag review videos, definitely give this one a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, definitely subscribe down below. And if you want to follow me while I'm not posting here on YouTube, definitely follow me over on Instagram, and I'll also have my TikTok link down below. So let's jump right in. So the bag I will be reviewing today is the Horse Clementine bag. Now I've seen so many people with this bag on TikTok and social media, and I've seen like dupes, and I think this was supposed to be a dupe of either a Pauline bag or a Loewe bag. I'm not really a big designer brand type of person. I'm never really buying designer brand. I only have 2 Coach bags, which are the only kind of designer, even though I know Coach is kind of getting big now. But this is probably my next designer bag. This is more like I would say like a value type of designer bag because of the price point. I feel like isn't really crazy compared to like, you know, Chanel and stuff for like $16,000, or freaking Hermes bags that could be like $30,000, which is insane to me. I probably would never buy that. But this is the Clementine bag. It is soft Italian leather, and I have mine in the coffee pebbled leather color. I went with chocolate because at the time I was getting it was for fall, but I do have bags kind of in this shade range, but I feel like the color of this, I just fell so in love with it. I feel like you can kind of wear it in the spring and summer as well as, you know, fall and winter, and I've been finding myself wearing it all year round, so I feel like it works for either or. They do have it in a black color, like a grayish pebble color, a green color, which is really nice. I was hesitant on getting that one because I don't know if it was a little too bright for me. A light cream color, which I was scared because I thought it would get really dirty, and my Coach pillow tabby is already a cream color. And then I believe it's also in, sorry, I'm just checking the website really quickly, oh, they have a new black one with gold detailing. So as you can see, this one is a very soft, nice leather. It says the Horse brand right here. I believe they are an Australian brand, so it did take a while to ship. I think this color right now is for pre-order right now, so it's going to take a while. Just FYI, it took me like 2 months for me to get this. And then it does have silver detailing, as you guys can see, and it has this like little handle strap, which I love, and I love how like it slouches down like that. Then it also has an adjustable strap that you can wear crossbody or on your shoulder, and you can also take it off if you don't want to wear it and kind of wear the bag in the crook of your arm like that, or just, you know, hold it if you want, because it has like a really nice shape when you hold it, kind of that slouchy look. And then it also has like magnetic closures on both ends, so it just snaps closed, kind of like the sandwich type of look. And then when you pop it open, it opens up pretty spacious. Like, to me, I still have a lot of room in here that I can add stuff in and just like really pack it up if I want to. I feel like it's the perfect like everyday bag. Like, you can wear this to work if you want to. Like, if you don't really carry around like laptops and stuff to work, this is a great work bag. Everyday running errands bag, just even going out bag. You could probably add some other charms and stuff to make it look a little better. It also has like a zipper closure inside, as well like a little pocket inside. And then underneath it has like these 2 leather pieces, so like when you set it down, it's not too like all touching the bottom, and it helps to keep the structure of the bag. And overall, I feel like it really has kept the structure of the bag. Like, it's very structured here. As you can see, kind of like tapers wider. Sorry about, I have a swatch in my hand, but I just love the shape of this bag and the slouchiness and how it still holds the shape. As you can see, the strap has like the adjustable little slots that you could like take this off like a belt and push it in. I think it has like 4 different adjustments. So I kept it on the first one for now because like if I'm wearing like a winter coat, I need it to be like a little longer, like so I have space. But I've been loving this bag so much. Like, is definitely worth the price. It retails right now for $239.95. So I think that was great, and I believe I paid it with PayPal, so I did like a pay in four, so obviously I didn't feel it too much, but I still think it is a great price, especially for that like soft Italian leather. I know you should be kind of safe with this, but it's been great so far, so I love it a lot. That's kind of my take on it. I've been loving it so much, and this color is to die for. Such a beautiful chocolate brown color. I saw a creator on TikTok with this color, and I just thought it was so nice, and she had like her own charms and stuff, and it just was really nice. So, and I'm happy that the detailing on this one is silver, because I usually wear more silver than gold. But yeah, like even the bag charm I added some is gold, and it still works fine because of the brown is like that warm color. So yeah, I love this bag a lot. But let's jump into what I have packed in here of my everyday like essentials that I need. I usually use this when I'm going out and just like on the weekend and stuff, not really as my work bag because I carry my lunch and stuff to work. So yeah, let's see what's going on. So first, on the outside, I just had this really cute bag charm that I shared in my collective haul, which I got from TJ Maxx. It's just really pretty, all these nice colors. I feel like the blue really complements the brown and stuff, so just kind of adds a little summery spring look to it. And then I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to first start with the side pockets actually. So I have a side pocket on this side and then a side pocket on the other side. So in the one closest like to the outside, I just dropped my keys in there. So I have my generic keys on this little like yellow lanyard. I don't know if I've had this in my past videos, like my past What's in My Bag videos, but those are my keys. And on the other side, I keep my wallet so it can hold not a full-size wallet, but kind of like these card holder wallets. So this one is from Target. I don't remember the brand of it, but it's kind of like this checkered print. Kind of reminds me of Bottega, like shiny silver color. And on this side, it has like some card slots where I put like my ID and my main cards that I use all the time, as well as a little like adjustable key chain part. So that's really cute that you could like attach your keys to it and whatnot. And then it kind of has like this corner zip. So when I open it up, it just has all my cards in there, which is great. And you can probably fit some cash in there as well. But those two things fit perfectly on those side pockets. Then going into the main compartment, I'm just grabbing this at random, have these sunglasses, which I've also shared in my last haul, which are these Primark sunglasses, which I love a lot. They just look so nice and edgy, and I don't know, I just feel like it fits my face pretty well. I only wear like sunglasses not to work, but like on the weekends and stuff, because if I'm in the car like with my sister or something, I feel like the sun is so annoying. So yeah, sunglasses. And then I have my MagSafe charger, which comes in handy all the time. This is like my everyday essential. I will never go without this throughout the day, because you never know when your battery might die. And especially like in New York, anything can happen. So love having that charged and handy on me. Then I have this. Now I usually keep my Digi Osmo pocket in my bag like on the weekends and stuff, because I know I'm going to be vlogging and doing stuff. So I just don't have it because I'm using it right now. But I have this little contraption which kind of goes over it. That you kind of like a little case for it. And on the back it has this like lever part, which is actually magnetic. So like if you're shopping, you can set it on the shopping cart if it's, you know, a metal shopping cart, and have the camera stabilized, or you can set it on something that's metal, kind of like a metal tripod, which is great. So I just keep that in there because when I'm using this when I'm outside, obviously I want to have this in my bag to make it handy, and it easily just goes on. So I love that. Then I have my AirPod Pros. These aren't the like short, wider ones. I don't know which ones those are, but there's ones that have the little like rubber things that go in your ear. These ones actually are the ones that are just like, they don't have that, because any of those type of headphones do not fit in my ear at all. Like they pop out. So that's why I went with this one, and they are noise canceling, which I fell in love with. Like I love the noise canceling on these. It's so good. Like I know I have my AirPod Max, but for an everyday wear and to work and stuff. Like, love that. I love keeping like these little organizational pouches in my bag to keep all my little essentials that I might need throughout the day in here. So this one is from TJ Maxx. It's just like this pink and green striped one with like a little zipper. So let's dive into that. So first thing first, I have hand sanitizer. Cannot go around without hand sanitizer because places are gross and nasty and you want to make sure your hands are sanitized. Then I just have a pen. This is a Pilot G2 10 pen, which I actually took from work. I love those pens. Then I have this Vacation brand lip balm. This is the desserts collection, I guess, in strawberry jello salad. It has broad spectrum SPF 30, which I love this for the summertime or honestly any time of day because, you know, the sun is always hitting. So you want to make sure you have that protection on your lips. My lips do sometimes get like burnt, like from the sun. Then because I have nails and sometimes my nails are longer, I have a nail brush, which I carry all the time. So when I wash my hands, I just do a quick little scrub because, you know, you can't have under the nails being funky. Then I have a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Pillow Talk, which is one of the greatest lipsticks ever created. Like, I love this. It works on so many different skin tones. Such like a nice neutral pink. Love that. And I also have the lip liner in Pillow Talk 2 Medium, which is like a darker color, so it really helps to like outline the lip and kind of add dimension to it. Next, I have a perfume, a travel size perfume, and this I shared in my February favorites. This is the Glossier Rev, I don't know, perfume, the travel size one. Just this little like, yeah, your travel size one. And then I had this little like dab perfume, I think that's what it's called, because it doesn't have like a spritzer or anything. This is the Finery, the new Rogue, which is supposed to be a dupe of Baccarat Rouge or Rogue, whatever. And it's just a little blue bottle. I like to have like different scents in my bag just in case, like depending on what I'm wearing. I have another lip balm, which is Carmex. I've been a Carmex girly for years and years, probably like 15 years now. Love Carmex. Specifically love the pod, but you know, using your finger isn't always the most handy. Then I have a Metro card just in case I need to hop on a train or a bus or something. You never know. So this is just, you know, New York City. This comes in handy when you need it. You know, they have the new Omni thing or whatever, but whatever. I just have that just in case. Then in case I get a little hungry, I have a Chomplings grass-fed and finished beef, 4-gram proteins and 45 grams of calories per serving, 0 sugar, and not a low-calorie snack. Beef jerky. That was a handful, but these are so good. Like, I love these so much. I'm definitely a beef jerky girl. Then I just have a little pack of Kleenex tissues because I feel like my nose still runs and then it's like getting into allergy season, so I feel like I just need that. And then finally, I have this that my coworker gave me. I haven't even tried it yet. It's this Neuro Gum Energy and Focus, powered with natural caffeine, balanced with L-theanine. I don't know how you say that. I think that's what's like in magnesium or something. I don't know. Infused with B vitamins, and it's a dietary supplement, and it's a cinnamon with flavor. And it just looks like this. Haven't tried it. It's supposed to help you focus. We'll have to find out if it does. So that is everything in my purse, and this is how it looks when it's empty. Pretty spacious and deep and just so much room. Definitely could have fit more in there if I want to. Obviously, when I put my camera in there, I'll probably still have more space. But like I said, I love this bag. Like, it was a good investment for me. I know, like I said, people out there have more expensive bags and stuff, but this is like the price range for me. Anything under like $500, maybe even anything under $300 is definitely for me. So I'm happy I found this. It's probably my top favorite one right now. I was in love with the Pillow Tabbies, but because this one has more room, it's just giving a little bit better. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this, I would definitely check it out on their website. They have a few other colors, like I said, so whatever floats your boat. Love this chocolate one, and maybe in the future we'll get a different color. I don't know, but so far for several months, it has been wearing great, and I just love it so much. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this little bag review video, what's in my bag, definitely give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.